Hello everyone, today is 1st of May 2020 and this is Hemophilia Society Durgapur chapter, and today it has completed 21 years. Hemophilia Society Durgapur chapter was established on 1st May 1999 with an objective of locating, educating, arranging proper treatment and rehabilitating the hemophiliacs in districts of Bardhaman, Bankura, Birbhum, Purulia, Dhanbad and Malda. The Durgapur chapter started its functioning with a very few hemophiliacs, and presently its member strength is 284. Initially, the chapter started its functioning from the residence of Mr. Shubhajit Banerjee, but with increasing activities and the impetus to grow rapidly, there was a need for an office space. On September 15, 2002, the chapter's first office space was inaugurated at Sadananda Milan Mandir at Palashdiha, Durgapur. Later on 25th of January 2004, Durgapur chapter did set up a care unit in a rented bungalow at CMERI Colony, Durgapur, which was temporarily provided by CMERI authorities. However, the ultimate goal was to set up a care unit of its own in city centre, the heart of the city Durgapur. Well, thanks to the efforts of Mr. D.D. Sen, who is now the president of the chapter, the Durgapur chapter has been allotted 4.88 kathas of land at city centre Durgapur by the Asansol Durgapur Development Authority under the government of West Bengal for setting up of a comprehensive hemophilia care unit at a very nominal cost. We constructed the comprehensive hemophilia care unit with generous financial support from the Durgapur steel plant under the CSR initiative, which was finally inaugurated on October 28, 2009. The Hemophilia Society Durgapur chapter conducts various programs round the year for the welfare of hemophiliacs and their families, which includes to identify hemophiliacs who are misdiagnosed, undiagnosed, and educate them of the basics of hemophilia care, arrange treatment and provide psychological support and rehabilitate them in the mainstream, arrange for anti-hemophilic factors for all hemophiliacs, organize awareness seminars in medical colleges, hospitals, educational institutions for detection of undiagnosed and misdiagnosed persons with hemophilia and other bleeding disorders, to organize various camps for hemophiliacs and their families on hemophilia management, physiotherapy, dental hygiene, self-infusion and orientation program for newly enrolled members. We strive to continue our efforts to identify more children with hemophilia and give them proper support and educate them about its possible treatment before they develop major problems and get crippled. In these 21 years, we surely have come a long way, but still have a long way to go, and this could only be possible with your help and support. If you want to help us or join us, please visit our website. And in case you don't know what hemophilia is, then please click the link and check out our another video on this channel.